Hi, I'm Mike Pease. I'm the new wood tech teacher at Acalanes. I'm a former grad here who took the same program, so I really value what we have here. It's an amazing shop. I'm standing in on one of our finishing rooms with all of our sanders. We also keep our wood stacked up for the kids to use on their projects. They spend a lot of time in here. We've got a great dust collection system to keep kids safe. In the main part of the shop, we have any tool you could pretty much imagine to use for woodworking. We're super blessed with the machines that we get to use and the time we get to use with them. My goal for the kids, we are finishing up a Pinewood Derby unit right now. As a Eagle Scout, I used to do that back in the day, and I think it's a fun unit for the kids to break into. They are required for the rest of the semester to finish 2 projects at least. They are able to kind of pick their own options, which gives them the freedom. I like that. Some of the kids are more advanced woodworkers. Some of them are more beginning. I kind of feel out where they are and see if they can accomplish the projects that they want to. We have artisans in here and we have carpenters, so it's a different type of woodworking on each one. I like to work with both. They're both creative. In here, this is our finishing room. This is where we would glue or paint. Sorry about the shakiness. My hand's a little shaky right now. This room kind of needed a lot of work when we got in here, but we're clearing it out, getting it up to its proper usage. If you guys have any questions for me, you can reach me through email or any way you want to contact me. But I'm really excited to work with your kids. Hopefully they come back for another year with me because we're trying to expand the program. The goal is to expand it to the max amount of classes that it's able